We are we gonna transform waste into wellness. A billion tons of corn waste has been burned every single year. Why? Women on Earth have no access to pads, a lot of them, I mean, and 300 billion of pads had gone to waste, while 90% of them contain plastic. We are gonna connect the waste stream to the wellness stream by addressing agriculture waste and menstrual care crisis at the same time. And by connecting these two, we make a clear vision where menstrual care is sustainable and accessible for every woman on Earth, no matter where they are.
So, how do we do this? It's ingeniously simple. We only need four layers of the pads, which is the skin contact, the core, the barrier, and the structure itself. And the process to do so is actually very simple. Just four steps: fast receiving, fast sanitizing, fast shredding, and fast molding. So fast, right? But not only that, because of this, with 100 kilograms of input, we can generate 10,000 pads, a lifetime supply for one person, and we can do everything in just 48 hours.
We are dominating towards on the $26 billion global menstrual care market. Of that, 45% contribute to the Asia, and we are proposing for the first fiscal year, aiming at 10,000 women to be participate to witness our growth. These are a brand new solution that we're introducing to the market: localized production technology module, emphasize on three categories: supply, emphasize on inspection; workshop, focus on process methodology; last, the market, or educational infrastructure tourism. These are conventional paths and the supply path. Way too long, I'm not even going to the details, but look how we shortened it, simply just on input, processing, and output. We're doing the survey by participating over 96 applicants, whereas 80% feedback for comfort, 70% worry about the environment, and 80% of them are willing to try when the prototype is ready and moving towards the MVP. The current prototype is focusing on core layer alone, and it can absorb up to 30 cc of liquids. We estimate that by Q1 of 2026, MVP will be ready. A circular model where everyone wins. For farmers, new revenue stream for agricultural waste. For women and communities, affordable access into a subscription model and direct to consumer model. For the planet, circular economy turning waste into valuable goods. And last, eliminating a single-use plastic for pollution. A new category we're focusing on sustainable and accessible. Very high on all categories. Our sustainable advantage is focusing on a radical shorter localized supply chain using waste as a raw material. Continue to emphasizing on process before the products. We're projecting a strong growth in the upcoming 5 years. 55% lower on the raw material cost, reduced logistic waste, and multiple revenue stream from D2C, B2B, and carbon credits. We are the fastest team to turn ideas into impact.